Welcome, everyone. In today's video of Tech It Simple, I'm going to show you how you can download and install a zero investment trading app on your mobile device. For this, you need to open your Play Store. Just open it and go to the search bar. Type the keyword Zero Investment Trading App. In the second result, you can see Zero Investment Trading. Just click on it. As you can see, there is an install button in the app. Just click on this install button. As you can see, the app installation process has already started. It needs some time to get installed. Let's wait for it. Finally, the installation process has ended on my device and the app is installed. Let's check it out in the mobile section. And there it is, the app is installed and the task is complete. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.